Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by loading the video and the subtitle track so you can measure the mismatch. Open VLC, play the file, and add the external. SRT if it isn't embedded. Once the subtitles appear, pause at a line that's noticeably early or late. This gives you a clear reference point. Then open Tools, choose Track Synchronization to prepare for an accurate adjustment. Doing this now saves guesswork later and positions you to correct timing precisely. Now you'll perform the actual timing changes. Use G to shift subtitles earlier and H to shift them later in small increments. This is fast for fine-tuning while the video plays. If you need exact values, open Track Synchronization and enter a millisecond offset. Positive delays push subtitles forward, negative pull them back. Once done, scrub to other parts of the video and test again, because audio delays may vary slightly. Iterate until dialogue. Finish by saving your corrected subtitle file so the timing persists. Subtitle, save subtitle file exports the adjusted. SRT. If your adjustments don't stick, make sure hardware acceleration or certain codec filters aren't retiming audio. Disable them temporarily. Also check subtitle encoding and that the player isn't switching tracks. If problems continue, reload the subtitle, reapply the offset, and consult VLC's messages or logs to identify conflicting filters. That single tip usually reveals why timing won't hold.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.